Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the qudas heavy duty bike U-lock. This also works on a scooter, which is what I'm going to test it out on. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get the box open here, the thing I think is great about this is that it's not only just a U-lock, which is obviously great, and it's got the mounting capabilities if you want to put this on your bike or on your scooter or whatever. And obviously you'll have the keys here that we'll just have to cut off to put on, and it does look like there's 3 of them. But it also gives me the ability to, and there's your key slot, just so you know. You'll just slide it right in there. But it also gives me the cable here, which gives you a lot of flexibility. If you've ever used a U-lock before, you can kind of only use the distance here. So if you have a big pole that this won't fit around, or you're trying to put it on in a longer distance or something like that, where your bike, you can't get your bike or or scooter or whatever close enough, this cable is the difference maker. And it's a good strong cable. Comes, this will cut, but comes with a little connection piece, so you can just throw this in and then of course Velcro it together. But I'm looking forward to this, and again, you can just install this right on your bike. I'm not going to do that personally, but it would give you the ability to kind of just I think it just slides right on like so, on and off, so that'll hold it on, and then just press that button to release. So we'll show it in use on my scooter, which is what I plan to use it for, and we'll take it from there. All right, so the simplest and easiest way for me to do this with a scooter is you can pick one of these up all you want, but you basically make this thing completely useless for others the second that you kind of get it to the point where they can't get that on. So I've got 2 ways to do this. I can, of course, just strap this around the pole, and then, of course, run it through a wheel or anything. Tons of different ways, but simple and easy is, if you can't get the stem up to, or the stick up to take away this thing, it's no good to use anywhere else. So makes it super easy. And of course, to unlock, we're simply just going to stick this in any of the keys. This comes right off, and of course goes right back on. Again, utilizing one of these, I could just wrap it around a single pole, and then just insert the U's through here. So definitely worth buying. Really simple and easy, nice and lightweight, but powerful. So hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.